All right, Shane here, daily-astrocat.com with your astrology. Daily astrology, right? Got it for you. Now, it's Monday, and the moon is going to be in Capricorn all day long. And this is a focused moon, and it's in the very determined and very hardworking sign of the space goat. That's Capricorn. That's what the cats used to call Capricorn. Space goat. All right, so today is a good day to review past performance in order to tweak and implement ways to achieve better results. Organize yourself better. That's very simple. Strive to be consistent. That's what we love about things, right? How many times have you ever gone to a restaurant? It's not the same. Drives me nuts, right? I like consistency. If I like something and I go back for it, I want it to be consistent, and I want it to be consistently good each time, right? That's something that we want to strive towards. This is how we keep our best face forward, right? We be consistent. We strive for that consistency in ourselves. Tuning out the static, out exterior noise, is going to be much easier with a focused moon, right? Today can be for the win, but you need to put the effort into it. And that's today's keyword, effort. So the color is dark gray. And with no aspects, meaning the moon's not making an aspect with anything, the sun in Scorpio intensifies the vibe of the moon in Capricorn. This allows all of us to completely catch up, right? Because we tap into some of that Capricornian stuff, even though we're not Capricorns. We get a little bit of discipline, a little bit of organization, a little bit of drive for future-focused projects, right? That's something we want to do. Now, this allows us to catch up on and put the final touches on the month of October. Okay? Today's a great day for tying up any loose ends. Halloween may be already out of our minds because, it's the end of the week, but it's important that we slow down as we get closer to that day and appreciate a few things about where we're at, what we've done, and what has yet to be achieved. We go in to November strong if we close October correctly. And you can begin that process today. Focused moon in Capricorn. Now, that focused moon in Capricorn also emphasizes process, top-down imperatives, and those kind of initiatives and the like, right? The top-down stuff. What does it mean for the independent artist, though? What does it mean if you don't have those overarching structures that reach down to you, right? Well, you focus on the business side of things. That side, the unfun stuff. It's a great day for making up rules as well, right? Give yourself a rule. That's how you get self-discipline. Follow through with everything. Abundance is waiting in the wings to surprise you. That's because we got a Mars-Jupiter trine going on. And that is a very powerful source of what our actions will yield for us. Alrighty, so with that being said, I appreciate you guys, right? And look, a practical purchase can easily do the work of impressing Venus far more than a showy gift of flowers or jewelry, especially if that gift has an impact on health and well-being. The possibilities after such a discovery are liberating. Make sure you're putting in the effort. All right, a couple of musical ones for you here, because that's what I like, right? In 1901, the first complete performance of Claude Debussy's orchestral composition Nocturnes was presented by the Lamoureux Orchestra, conducted by Camille Chevallard, and he did that in Paris, France, on this date in 1901. And in 1782, we have a birth for you, Niccolo Paganini. He's an Italian violin virtuoso. He also wrote music for guitar and wrote music on guitar. And he's a virtuoso and a composer. He wrote the 24 Caprices for solo violin and Princess Luca. He's born in Genoa, in the Republic of Genoa, and he died in 1840, and that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for coming by. Appreciate and love every single one of you. Keep the comments coming. I always answer back, within reason. And I just want you to know that if you ask it, you'll receive it, okay? Always with the best of intentions towards you and all of your loved ones. I appreciate and love every single one of you. Let's recap. Today, the color is dark gray, and the key word is effort. Today's a 7. Happy astrocatting.